This is how two best friends meet again. After months. Have you ever seen any best friends reunion this crazy? This boy is going to give his best friend a surprise visit. Guess who's on the doorstep? 3, 2, 1. These best friends were separated after one family moved to Florida. And it's been a while since they've seen each other. Not only these best friends, but both families are very happy to see each other again. You guys will have a lot of fun together. Enjoy it, buddies.
No, he was not.
It's never too late to meet your best friend. At the age of 90, these two airborne Army World War II veterans reunited in Normandy. They couldn't be happier to see each other again. The way they talk is just like in the old days. You can make friends in many places and circumstances. This little girl is about to meet her best internet friend in person. They have been chatting online almost every day for 4 years, but never met. They just can't believe their eyes when they see each other. It seems unreal to both. A big thanks to their parents for arranging this special meeting.